Hello! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G23 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this phone. First, we need to go to the screen we want to capture. So for example, I'm gonna open Chrome browser. And let's say I want to take a picture or rather screenshot of this page. To do it, you can press and hold the power button and volume down button together. You will hear the sound and also you will see this pop-up right here, which means that you took a screenshot. On this pop-up right here, you have a couple of options. You have share button. If you want to share it, you can edit screenshot by tapping on edit button. You can also tap on the pen icon to remove it and use the option capture more. Capture more option allows you to take a screenshot of the page that doesn't fit on the screen. So for example, we have a Google page and we can scroll down through it and we can take a screenshot of the whole page in one screenshot. You don't need to take a multiple basically. So we can take a screenshot, tap on capture more, and it's gonna start scrolling down and you can select the part you want to take a screenshot of. And once you're done, you can tap on save to save it like this. Okay. If you want to edit the screenshot, take it, tap on the edit button. And here we can do a couple of things. We can add some filters. We can tap on crop and basically crop the image. We can adjust contrast and stuff like that. We can also, like I said, apply filters. We can use the markup option to draw on the screenshot. And once you're done, you can tap on the save option to save the copy right here. And that's about all. That's how you take a screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.